Taiwan TGIF, although TGIF is every day here on the show because TGIF on Kababayan Today means, thank God I'm Filipino. My name is Janelle Song, inyong pong kababayan mula dito sa Los Angeles, where today we are welcoming you to America's first and only daily talk show for and about the Filipinos. Ngayong hapon, ipapakilala ko po kayo sa isang cute na kababayan, only 3 years old, at siya po ay sasali sa hit pageant reality TV show na tinatawag na Toddlers in Tiaras. But you'll see her first on Kababayan Today. Also, we'll introduce you to a multi-awarded and well-esteemed author who wrote a book about finding gold in the Philippines. It's fiction, but it was inspired by true events. How interesting is that? But before anything else, let us travel to Taiwan. Up until now, we have been strangers, but for the next few days, we will get to know each other better as we explore Taiwan together. What made you come to Taiwan with us?
Because I want to join you. I saw you in Kababayan LA. I told my husband, I want to go. Let's go, okay?
All right.
No, actually, she said, come over here and watch Kababayan LA. And I said, I'm watching something else. She goes, no. And then we watched you. And then after that, when the TV was off, she said, let's go. And I said, why? Oh, there's a cooking class, you know.
That was my, what's that? Selling point to him. You will learn how to cook better.
One participant was even joining for the second time. It's good to see you again joining the Taiwan Tour Part 3.
I know, I'm so excited to see you again.
Thank you so much for joining us. What made you decide to do it again?
Because the first time I had so much fun and I love Taiwan.
Anong nagustuhan niyo po sa Taiwan? Anong nagustuhan niyo sa first trip natin?
The first trip was really great and the tour was excellent. We have a good, knowledgeable tour guide, and it was great, and I couldn't wait for the second time.
When you think about the first trip in Taiwan, what was your most memorable place that you visited, perhaps, or most memorable food that you ate?
I think everything that I eat is really good, and the places was really awesome.
What about this time? For this trip, what were you looking forward to doing, or what are you looking forward to doing?
Find out all the historical places that I've never been to, and I'm really looking forward, and the people that I have been encountered, they are really friendly, and I'm looking forward to always come with you too.
Oh, thank you. You seem to be having a grand time, and in fact, Tita was my cooking partner earlier today. Tell us about that cooking experience.
Oh yeah, that was great, and it turns out very delicious, and I can't wait to go home and prepare it for Robert.
You like to cook?
Yes, I do.
So I'm sure it was exciting for you when we cooked earlier. Was it difficult, fairly easy?
It's very easy. The recipe is so simple. So I can't wait to go home and cook.
And you know what? I think it was easy because you had a good assistant. Him.
Definitely. We can do it again.
And this travel to Taiwan Part 3 has given the group plenty of reasons to celebrate. For one of the 4 couples who joined us celebrated their 58th wedding anniversary. 58 years married. Happy anniversary. In your words, Tito Bernie, what is the secret to a lasting marriage?
Oh, that's our secret.
They don't want to share their secret. It's okay.
It's patience, tolerance, and forgiving.
2 individual participants celebrated their birthdays during the trip. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rina and Ricardo. And the strangers quickly became friends. Happy birthday. What's your birthday wish?
Oh, my birthday wish is for my health and the health of people around me, and I hope they're all as happy as I am.
What made you decide to celebrate your birthday in this way? You know, traveling outside of LA, away from your friends and family.
Well, because of this tour, I really wanted to attend this tour. I've been waiting for it for a long time. This is only my chance, so I ignored the party in LA, and I'd rather celebrate this together with the newfound friends.
Yes, let's talk about that. What's it like celebrating your birthday with these people you just met?
Yeah, that is very excitable because I gained friends. Okay, the people who will give me a celebration in LA are already my friends, and when I go there, they're still my friends. Okay, and here I got some more friends.
Good answer. You got better answer. It's also her birthday. What's it like celebrating your birthday away from family and friends?
I miss my family, especially my grandchildren, but this is one experience that I will never have again. Having my birthday up in the air, looking down over the earth. I mean, how high can you get?
I like that. What is your birthday wish?
My birthday wish is to stay healthy and to be able to return safely to my family.
Join us in the coming days as we share with you more of our experiences during Travel to Taiwan Part 3.